Okay, hi there again, guys. I had been reading till the Court Chronicles and we have stopped till. However, Court Chronicles are still considered to be useful as they help us to understand the administrative measures, laws, and military campaigns undertaken by rulers. Memoirs and autobiographies we have not started yet, so there will be people who have written about someone, so we are going to read through those. But before I start that, this is on page 15. I just want to give you some information and tips about this website which is there. You will be having your online classes. Make sure you watch all the videos properly so that you know which one is 1, 2, 3, 4. But we are trying, I'm working hard on it to put labels on it as well, so you'll be getting to know which video you should see first. There will be, you have to make notes for yourself. You are in class 7 now. Word meanings is a must and reading is a must. See guys, this is the time you will learn. This is your self studies. This is the actual self studies. I am there to help you out. Okay, so don't worry, I am there with you throughout, and as and when we go ahead with all the chapters at the back, you have to do the question answers yourself. And word meanings, as I said, you have to do that, and read as much as you can, understand, because I am explaining it here and I'll be giving you some Y links also for you to help you to make some notes and understand more and write it down in your copies. Okay, so till then, for my next video on the next routine, your next routine is again on Thursday. We'll be meeting for SST again, and I'll be meeting you for, yes, I'll be meeting you for SST again on Thursday. Okay, so Tuesday and Thursday I'll be here with my class 7, my old class 6. I'll be with class 6 as well and class 5 as well. So I have three classes of you I'll be taking, so 7, 6 and 5. So make sure you guys are there on this time and you check it out, and keep your feedbacks ready with you also. What you liked about my classes, what you didn't like about my classes. Was I clear? Was I audible? Was I able to explain? You know, I need these feedbacks from you. Then only we'll be able to understand our problems and issues much more better. It will be easier to solve it as well. Okay, I'll be sending Y links, so check with your routine. You'll be getting your Y links, and hope for the best. Let's see how long does this take, this COVID-19, when it's going to finish. I hope it finishes soon and we get back. I'm missing you guys a lot, and I'm forgetting few names also. I'm so sorry, but yes, as and when I remember names, I'll again wish you all. And Ankish's birthday is coming up, right? Ankish, you must have become very young, handsome man now. Long time I have not seen you guys. My cheetah and all the princesses in the class. What's the other name? Oh, how is Anushka? Oh, she did very well in her exams. I want to and congratulated her. I hope she's doing well. I hope, Anushka, you're listening to these classes, and please, you have done well and you can do better. And Pallavi, how is Pallavi? Sorry, I forgot. And I'll remember some more names, don't worry. I'll wish you all, each every 31. I miss my roll number 21 also. And okay, till then, see you. I'll catch you up again with more classes, and you won't have any problems, I can assure you that. Okay, so take care, be home, be safe, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.